Welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida, and it's gonna be an interesting one today. It is busy down here at Haulover. The inlet's slightly firing. We got about a 15-mile-an-hour wind, but one of the big ones is the amount of large wake we're gonna see today as these boats come through here, try and battle the waves, the wake. Let's see how the captains fare as they step in the ring and do battle with the inlet. Our first vessel to step in the ring and try and step up to Haulover is going to be a brig inflatable. Let's see how our captain fares. And here we go. Our guy's got the throttle opened up on this one. The boat is up on plane, and he's actually rolling pretty solid for as rough as it is today and the size of the vessel he's got. But this crew might not have any issues. If he can keep that bow up, they should be good to go. But again, it's always tricky when you're coming in on a following sea. Things can happen unexpectedly, but right now, this crew looks like they got it in the bag. And man, there we go. It looked too good to be true. Our crew winds up just falling in the valley right there and winds up getting absolutely worked by one of the waves here at Haulover. The crew looked good for 90% of it, but that last 10%, unfortunately, is going to cost them, and they're going to take a loss for the boats here in the first round. That's going to give Haulover the early 1-0 edge as we move into the second round of our contest, where we're going to feature a scout stepping in the ring to try and do battle with Haulover. These scouts, man, I get more impressed every time I see them. This crew's got the boat up on step, and I promise Haulover can be firing pretty solid, and these scouts just seem to handle it, especially these big ones. Absolutely impressive boats, and this crew's going to make it through without any issues whatsoever and take a win for the boats in the second round. And that's going to bring us to the third round of our competition, and we are now tied at 1 apiece, but the boats are going to bring a Paramount into the ring here in the third round to try and see if they can go ahead and get the edge over the inlet. Our guy's coming out. He's gonna do the strong pause here as that yacht comes rolling through, and just look at the size of the wake. The yacht winds up sending. Probably a smart choice to kind of let that one settle down before he powers out. But then here we go. Our guy up on the throttle decides to let it roll. Takes a funky hop right there, but it looks like he's gonna be okay, and he should be good getting out of the inlet. The problem is he wasn't good getting back into the inlet. This is a few hours later. Our guy didn't make it very far, and he wound up having to get towed back in. Tough break for this one, but because the boat's not coming back in on its own power, I'm going to go ahead and give him the loss in this round, and that's going to give Haulover the 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round of our contest. And here in the fourth round, the boats are going to toss an Everglades in the ring to try and see if they can keep this competition going. Hopefully Haulover doesn't get the early knockout on the boats, but we got a full send captain here. Our guy has the throttle opened up. Even with the ladies in the bow, Cap doesn't care, gets the boat up on step, and is absolutely letting the boat do the work on this one, and this crew looks solid. Here we can see it in the aerial replay. The boat is absolutely eating Haulover up, and it's not like it's just a light day. You can tell by looking at this, they are bouncing all around. It is a choppy day, but the crew and the boat handle it great, wind up taking a win for the boats, and that's going to bring us to the fifth and final round of our contest. We are now tied at 2 apiece, and the boats are going to toss a sea hunt in the ring to try and close it out, but who's going to take the win? Will it be the boats or the inlet? Let's go. Time to find out. Our crew takes it a little slow out at the beginning, but they are keeping the bow high. Again, it's a rough day. Not everybody's going to be able to just full send it out, but right now they've got a great running attitude, actually. Keeping the bow high, keeping the boat moving just enough to let the boat do the work, and they're going to make it out and take the win for the boats, and the boats will take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. Of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.